In this video, I'll show you how to view page traffic of a project in Base44 quickly and easily. If you're trying to check which pages are getting visits, this is the fastest way to find that data inside your project dashboard. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Base44 guides. Let's jump right in. First, open the project you want to review inside Base44. Once you're inside the project, look for the dashboard section and click on it. This will take you to the main overview area where you can access project-level insights. From there, click on Analytics. The Analytics page is where Base44 keeps performance data for your project, including page-level traffic information. After the Analytics page opens, scroll down to see the Page Traffic section. Here, you'll be able to review how your pages are performing and check the traffic details you need. That's it. In just a few clicks, you can open your project, go to the dashboard, access analytics, and view page traffic in Base44. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one.